Hello guys, this is Frightopia here, and now I'm going to be doing a video showing you my action figure unboxing and review of Marvel Legends Spider-Man Retro Jack-O-Lantern. Yep, I got this at Walmart 2 days ago from San Benito for our prices $33.98. It says, top it says Marvel Comics 4 Plus. It says Hovercraft. It says warning, choking hazard. Toy contains small parts and a small ball, not for children under 3 years. Jack-O-Lantern comes with the accessories, which includes the interchangeable hands, the small ball, and the glider on there, as you can see. So here's the front, and of course the back. Marvel Comics Spider-Man. Marvel. A mercenary in an armored suit, Jack-O-Lantern terrorizes New York on his hovercraft as the infamous flame-headed villain. This is USA and Canada. This is English. Warning, small parts and a small ball. Made in China. And the Hasbro logo. This is copyright Marvel, and all trademarks and registered trademarks are the property of the respective owners. Hasbro and all related trademarks and logos are trademarks of Hasbro Incorporated. This is copyright 2024 Hasbro. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxing right now. Got it. There you go. There, perfect. Okay, so here's the front and the back of this figure. You can hit swivel side to side. Yeah, double joints, butterfly joints. Arms will go forwards, backwards, moves. Got bicep swivel, double jointed pinless elbows, hand swivel side to side, hinge will go up and downward. Has the ab crunch, waist twist, goes round and round. Legs will go forwards, backwards movements. Got a thigh swivel, double jointed pinless knees, boot swivel side to side. Ankles will go up and downward, and it does have the ankle rockers. Okay. You can use this as a small ball in your hand, just like this, or you can use this with a belt. And then you can switch and rear these hands. You can stand in the glider, both fist hands. So you can get ready to fly with this. Okay guys, well, like, comment, and subscribe button, and then you let me know in the comment section below. Alright, goodbye.